Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Billions Network Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop and how to complete tasks in order to get extra points. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram, where we publish the latest news about testnet projects and airdrops. Link will be down below in the description box. With that being said, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join Billions Network Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open your Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, so click on I agree, and here you need to sign in using your Google account or Apple account. I recommend you to use Google. They will ask you to type in your Gmail address. Then you need to type in the password, and when you are done, click on next. And finally, they will ask you if you want to sign in to Billions Network using your Google account. So click on continue. And to finish the sign up process, they will show you this message. So check this box on the left side and click on I agree. Then you will land on the Billions Network dashboard, and if we scroll down, you will see there are many tasks that we need to complete in order to get extra points. I will show you how to complete them step by step, so please keep watching. Now let's go back here, and as you see, I am now in level 1. And I need about 400 points to move on to level 2. And if we scroll down a little bit, they will show you that you can invite your friends using your referral link, and you will earn 200 points for each one. And the next task is about promo codes. They usually publish promo codes in their Discord server, so you need to type in the promo codes here into this box and then click on apply in order to get extra points. But don't worry, if you want to get these codes, we publish them in our Telegram channel, so make sure to join. Link will be down below in the description box. Now if we keep scrolling, they will show you this daily reward. You need to log in into your account every day to claim the daily reward. So click on click and earn. As you see, you have to wait about 24 hours before you can claim the daily reward again. The next task is to join their community in Discord. You need to log in into your Discord account first, and then come here and click on join and earn. They will redirect you to this page, so click on authorize. Then they will take you back to the dashboard, and they will show you this message to complete Discord verification. So click on Go to Discord. You will land on this page. So click on Accept Invite. At this point, they should redirect you to the Discord platform. But if you're stuck at this page like me, here's the solution. Click on the URL on top of the screen. Then click on the pencil icon on the right side. They will show you this URL, and at the end of this URL there is a code. We need to copy this code, and I will show you later where to use this code, but for now just copy it. Now let's go to Mises homepage and type into the search bar Discord. Click on the first website. And make sure to log in into your Discord account. In the middle of the page there is a button which is Open Discord in your browser. Click on it. Then you will land on this page, and if we zoom in a little bit, on the left side there is a plus icon. Let me show you where. Click on this icon. And they will show you this message. Click on Join a server. Then they will show you another message. And remember the code that I showed you before. Copy that code and paste it here into this box. And then click on Join Server. Next, they will ask you 3 questions. You can answer those questions in any way. And let me show you quickly how to do that. After finishing these questions, you will land on their Discord server. And if we zoom in a little bit, on the left side there is a section which is Verify. Click on it, and you will land on this page. Now if we zoom in a little bit, on the right side there is a message which is Solve CAPTCHA. Just click on Solve CAPTCHA button. Then they will show you this message. It contains a CAPTCHA, and underneath it there is a drop down menu. So choose the right answer. And well done. The CAPTCHA solved. Now at the bottom there is a button which is Get Started. Click on it. Then you will land on this page, and the last step, just zoom in a little bit, and there's a section which is Server Guide. Click on it, and you'll land on this page. And if we zoom in, on the right side there is a button which looks like a sun. Click on it, and they will redirect you to this chat page. Here you need to type in anything like GM Billions. Let me show you how. and when you finish, hit enter. Now congratulations, we have claimed our Discord role. So let's go back to the dashboard, and if we scroll down, click again on join and earn. They will redirect you to this page again, so click on authorize. And congratulations, they give me 200 points. Now let's complete the next task, which is email communication. Just click on subscribe and earn 200 power. And as you see, they give me another 200 points. And the next task is Ethereum address. Click on connect and earn up to 200 power. They will show you this message to connect your wallet. I recommend you to use MetaMask. And if you didn't watch my video about how to create MetaMask wallet in Mises browser step by step, I recommend you to check that video again in my YouTube channel. Now click on MetaMask icon. And here you need to type in the password of your MetaMask wallet and click on unlock. They will show you this message to connect your Billions network to your MetaMask wallet. So click on connect. Then they will show you another message. So just scroll down and click on confirm. And as you see, they give me 100 points. If you have Ethereum balance in your wallet, they will give you another 50 points. And if you registered for ENS domain, they will also give you another 50 points. But for now, connecting your wallet is more than enough. Now let's talk about the last task, which relates to X platform. Click on follow and earn up to 600 power. They will redirect you to X platform. So log in with one of your accounts, and after login, they will show you this message. So click on authorize app. Then they will take you back to the dashboard. And as you see, they give me 600 points. Now scroll down again and click on mention and earn 50 power. They will ask you to publish this post. So publish it and go back here and click on the same button. Then you have to wait 10 seconds until they are verifying. Now let's complete the last task. Again, they will ask you to publish another post. Now if we go back here, click on the same button and wait 10 seconds until they are verifying. Now after completing all these tasks, let's go back here, and as you see, I am now in level 2 and I have to earn about 75 power points to move on to level 3. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Billions Network Airdrop. Again, don't forget to log in into your account every 24 hours to claim the daily reward as I showed you before. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends and invite them to join our channel. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. See you soon, guys. Good luck.